Right, good day and welcome. We're looking at analytical geometry. We'll look at how to use midpoint to find coordinates. We'll also find perimeter and area. Right? So, calculate the value of x. Say m is the midpoint of the line segment joining A and B. So there they gave me A and B and m. It's a very important process, especially in analytical. We deal with the concept where we have squares, we have parallelograms, rectangle, rhombus. In all four of those shapes, the diagonals bisect. Right? There are certain places diagonals are equal in length. So if that's the case, then they share the same midpoint. So we'll have to use midpoint to find coordinates of the unknown side. Now we're just doing the basics. So they gave me A, 0 and minus 4. M, which is the midpoint, minus 1 and 1, and B, x and y. So in short, what we are saying, if I add x1 plus x2 divided by 2 must equal minus 1. Say y1 plus y2 over 2 must equal 1. I'm going to use the coordinates of A and B. So B, the x, plus 0 divided by 2 equal minus 1. 2 times negative 1 would give me negative 2. Add 0, so x equal negative 2. Y minus 4 divided by 2 must equal 1. Y minus 4, 2 times 1 gives me 2. Take negative 4 over, 2 plus 4 would give me 6. So my coordinates of B in this case, minus 2 and 6. We also have, second problem, A is 4 and 2, M is 4 and 0, and B is x and y. Remember, M is the midpoint, so therefore x1 plus x2 over 2 equals 4, which is the x value. Y1 plus y2 over 2 equals 0, which is my y value of my midpoint. So from there, x plus 4 divided by 2 must equal 4. Y plus 2 divided by 2 must equal 0. 2 times 4 would give me 8. So I have x plus 4 equal 8. Take 4 over, 8 minus 4, x equals 4. Here, y plus 2. 2 times 0 stays 0. Take plus 2 over, it becomes negative 2. So therefore my coordinates of B, 4 and negative 2. So we'll always look for the midpoint and use the midpoint to find the coordinates of the other side. But that I'll do later on in our more complex problems. Alright, now in 2.1, calculate the perimeter of triangle PQR, given that P is minus 2 and 1, Q is 2 and 2, and R is half and negative half. So to get the perimeter, I need the length of PQ, need the length of QR, and I need the length of P and R. So I have to add all three sides. So first, if I work out PQ, square root x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. That's the distance formula. Right, so for PQ, there 2 minus minus 2 all squared, 2 minus 1 all squared. So that 2 plus 2 gives me 4, 4 squared is 16, 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 squared is 1, 1 plus 16 gives me square root 17. For QR, 2 minus half, 2 minus half, right? So 2 minus half would give me 3 over 2 squared plus 2 minus minus gives me 2 plus half, which is 5 over 2 squared, becomes 25 over 4 plus 9 over 4. If we simplify on your calculator, you should get 8,5. Right, for PR, it's going to read minus 2 minus half squared plus 1 minus half squared. Again, that would give me 3 over 2, and that would give me 5 over 2. So square root 8,5. So for perimeter, it will equal PQ plus QR plus PR. Add them all together, and I get 9,95 units. Because I haven't specified centimeters or millimeters, very important that I put in the word units. We're calculating length. Alright, let's go to the next problem. Alright, now in 2.2, they say we must prove that PRQ equal 90 degrees. So you see the angle in the middle is R. So I'm looking at PR and RQ. So given the same coordinates, so to prove it's 90, I'm going to work out gradient first. So on gradient of PR, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So for PR, my gradient, right, 1 minus minus half becomes 1 plus half, minus 2 minus half. That 1 plus half would give me 3 over 2. Minus 2 minus half would give me negative 5 over 2. Change division to multiplication, and the 5 goes to the bottom and the negative 2 to the top. 2 and 2 cancel, so I'm left with minus 3 over 5. Right, then I want gradient RQ. So gradient RQ, 2, or my y value first, 2 minus minus half comes 2 plus half, and 2 minus half, 0,5. So 2 plus half, 5 over 2, 2 minus half, 3 over 2. Change division to multiplication, it becomes 2 over 3. 2 and 2 cancel, so I'm left with 5 over 3. So if I multiply these two gradients and they equal minus 1, then PR is perpendicular to RQ, and therefore PRQ equals 90. So gradient PR times gradient RQ minus 3 over 5 times 5 over 3 equal minus 1. Therefore, PR perpendicular to RQ, PRQ equal 90 degrees. So next problem, I sum through it so you can see what we solved. So there they say calculate the area of triangle PQR. There's P minus 2 and 1, Q 2 and 2, and R 0,5, negative 0,5. So we've proven that that angle where P and R and QR meet is 90 degrees. We know that PR equals square root 8,5 from the previous calculation, and QR equals square root 8,5. For area of a triangle, it will always be, not always, but if we have a 90-degree angle, half times base times height. Right, we also have the area formula. Right, so half times base times height, so my base there, QR, and my height always meet at 90 degrees. So therefore, PR times QR. So half 0,5 times square root 8,5 times square root 8,5 gives me 4,3. And now my units must be squared for area. So hope you follow, hope you enjoy the lesson. Please like, share, and subscribe.